These are my thoughts, my review, and I'm gonna be telling you why these perfumes are in my wish list.
Every night are we.
Hello there, my darlings, welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna be talking about two niche perfumes that are in my wish list. I'm sure you guys have heard about them, but these are my thoughts, my review, and I'm gonna be telling you why these perfumes are in my wish list. Okay, the first one is gonna be INITIO Side Effect. I don't have a full bottle, but I have some samples. I went to Skin Cosmetics some times ago, smelled the perfume. I got some samples from there I've been using. INITIO Side Effect is an amber fragrance for men and women. It is unisex. Launched in 2016. I am gonna be quick so that the video cannot be too long. Let's talk about the men accord. INITIO Side Effect men are called vanilla, rum, tobacco, warm, spicy, sweet, cinnamon, woody, powdery. And for the notes, we have only 4 notes: rum, vanilla, tobacco, and cinnamon. I can't believe this perfume has only 4 notes. Let's spritz the perfume again just to remind ourselves. You can tell this is a strong perfume. The opening is sweet, boozy a little bit because it has rum. You can smell the rum from the opening. You can tell this is not playing. This perfume is not playing. This perfume is just like a heavy hitter. On the dry down, you can still smell the boozy side of the perfume. You smell the sweetness. I'm sure this sweetness is coming from cinnamon, but it's becoming a little bit smoky. I don't know, you guys, if you have smelled INITIO Side Effect. Is it smoky? It came across to me a little bit smoky, but boozy, sweet, smoky. Oh my god, it's not like too smoky like Kayali Vanilla 28. I feel like Kayali Vanilla 28 on the dry down is really smoky. This one is smoky a little bit, but not too smoky. I'm sure the smoky side is coming from tobacco. Oh my goodness, you have only 4 notes, and these notes are blended together so very well, but at the same time you can get each and every note. Like I can get the boozy side, which is the rum. I can have a little bit like sweetness from the cinnamon maybe, and the smokiness from the tobacco, obviously sweet, vanilla, and everything. This is amazing. This perfume is definitely not like a fresh, playful, fresh, feminine perfume. This is a heavy hitter. It's strong. It leans mostly masculine, but I love this kind of perfume because I love heavy hitters. I love perfume that speaks, that is on your face. It's strong. If you are the kind of person that likes like floral, I don't know, maybe vanilla, soft, feminine perfume, this is not for you. If you love the vanilla that is soft, this is not for you. If you don't like smoky, boozy perfume, this is not for you. It's a vanilla, boozy, smoky perfume. It's very strong. It's a heavy hitter. Lasting power. This perfume lasts forever on your skin. It's going to hold it very tight. It won't let your skin go. I'm telling you, when I spritz this perfume on my skin, I am gonna be smelling it on my skin for 8 hours plus, the whole day. In fact, on my clothes, it's forever until I'm going to, wash my clothes. It is a long-lasting, very long-lasting perfume. The sillage, the projection is insane. If you are a woman who likes like soft, fresh, this is not for you. So overall, INITIO Side Effect, strong perfume, beautiful, long-lasting, projection, insane, boozy, vanilla, smoky perfume. The next perfume I'm going to be talking about today is Byredo Rose of No Man's Land. Again, I don't have a full bottle. That's why they are in my wish list. But I have samples. They gave me at Skin Cosmetics a lot of samples. So I've been using them. This is another one I kept for the purpose of the video. Let's spritz it. Before we spritz, let's talk about the perfume. Byredo Rose of No Man's Land was launched in 2015. And it is an amber spicy perfume. It is for men, it is for women, it is unisex. Men accord. We have rose, floral, soft, spicy, woody, amber. For the note, we have top note, turkey red rose, pink pepper. Middle note, we have turkey red rose, raspberry bloom. And for the base note, we have papyrus and amber. So this is like the note can tell you. a rosy floral perfume. It smells just like rose with a little bit of something else. It's spicy a little bit. I don't know, I think the spice is coming from the pink pepper, obviously, but it's mostly rose. It's sweet and rose. Oh, okay. Wow, the opening is very sweet. Like, it's sweet and it's floral, rose. The red rose, you can feel it, you can smell it in the opening. It's gourmand. This is really gourmand. I don't know if it was supposed to be like a spicy amber floral perfume, but to me it's a floral, sweet, rosy, almost like a blend of rose and raspberry juice. On the dry down, you can still smell the rose, you can still smell the sweetness from the raspberry, but it's becoming a little bit dusty. You can get like something like, you know, like a dusty shelf or a dusty book, but in a perfumey way. It's not like suffocating. It's a little bit dusty. I don't know how to explain. It's like flowers mixed with like a raspberry juice with a pinch of dust. This perfume is like a little bit of everything. It is floral, fresh, sexy at the same time. It's not kind of like floral and I'm weak and I'm just like very girly. It is a floral in a sexy way, floral that stands out. It's not fresh, weak. It is fresh, strong, sexy. It is strong, but it's not like strong, headachy, strong, that's obnoxious, that you cannot even handle. It is strong, like it stands out. It is there. It's saying, I'm here. Very good projection, very good sillage, very good lasting power. It's not a beast mode like INITIO side effect, but it's not a weak perfume as well. It lasts very long. In fact, a whole day. Not beast mode like I said, but it's still there. You can smell it and people can smell it. Compliment getter, just like INITIO side effect. These are the things that I love from perfume. That's why they are in my wish list. And this is not for everyone, guys. If you like fresh, you like sexy, but still this is different. It's not like for everyone. You have to love it. So if you want to buy it, you have to go smell it, have a sample, play with it, and make sure that you love it. Because the first time I kind of like loved it, then I was like, what is this? I don't know. That's why I got samples. I've been playing with them now. I'm sure I love them. They're in my wish list and I'm gonna save some money to go and get them. The price is a little bit, you know, expensive here. It's a lot of money. Make sure that I really love them and make a budget to go get them. These are the two perfumes that I want to talk about today, but I have a long wish list. Maybe I'm gonna talk about the others later. I hope you guys learned one thing or two and you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and keep well. God bless you. I will see you on the next one. Bye.